Hello, this is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire. We are here at SIIM 2026, the annual meeting of the Society for Imaging Informatics in Medicine in Pittsburgh. And we're here with Vikram Chhabra. He is Vice President of Diagnostic Solutions at Microsoft. Vikram, thanks for being with us.
Great to connect and looking forward to the conversation.
Yeah, same here. So tell us a little bit about what Microsoft does in radiology.
Microsoft, formerly Nuance, we had the legacy and the history of serving the clinician and the radiology community for decades at this point. And the mission simple, continue to reduce the burden on radiologists and clinicians by bringing meaningful experiences, elevating their workflows through AI in a responsible and a meaningful manner.
All right, very good. Now, one of the big stories in radiology this year has been your decision to kind of move the market past your legacy PowerScribe 360 application for radiology reporting. Can you tell us a little bit about why you guys decided to do that?
Sure. Brian, we've been serving the radiologist community for over 2 decades now at this point. And the PowerScribe brand was built with deep customer interaction, understanding the unique workflows of every organization. It's about time now to bring that heritage, that richness into our next platform. We've been working pretty hard on what we call PowerScribe 1 for multiple years now. And today we have over 250 organizations and over 10,000 radiologists using the PowerScribe 1 latest platform across all sizes, small and large, varying degrees of complexity. And it's that scale that gives us the confidence that it's time to bring the customers over to our next platform, give them the power of cloud speech, our catalog of third-party imaging algorithms through Precision Image Network, things like smart impression through generative AI that can capture in the sentiment, in the style. Just to speak about that for 60 seconds, every time somebody's used smart impression, they've said, it's magical how this thing shows up in my style, in my way that I would have done it. It's time to bring our PowerScribe 360 community onto that new platform, and we're ready for it.
Okay. What are some of the benefits that you think people are going to see with PowerScribe 1 over the previous legacy version?
Sure. Whenever one of these customers is thinking about moving to the next platform, they're thinking about not just a list of features, but the overall experience that they get. And it's about driving outcomes to deliver high quality clinical care in the most efficient manner. Mm-hmm. As we thought about moving from the 360 to the one platform, we were mindful about bringing some of the richness, the heritage of PowerScribe 360 workflows, but also modernize a new experience as well from a platform perspective, along with the generative AI capabilities baked into the workflow, not as a bolt-on. And it's completely seamless the way you use it. But more importantly, it's not just the product. It's the overall deployment and the ongoing lifetime experience that makes a difference. People want outcomes, not just a set of features. Yeah. And the people, most of these customers, they are still talking to the same folks that they knew back from the Nuance days and the Microsoft days. We have the same employees for over 15 years now. We understand their environments. We bring a rich playbook of best practices that these organizations need to deliver outcomes unique to their organization. And it's that experience of, yes, we've seen this with 20 customers, 30 customers. That's what you want. That's a deployment experience, implementation experience we bring to the table. And even from an ongoing change management perspective, it's the end-to-end experience that customers are looking for. And it comes with a combination of a rich product with deep legacy, modern cloud platform, and a deployment experience that can move them forward truly in an enterprise style.
Now, if a provider is looking to replace their reporting solution, what kind of advice would you have for them?
Where no organization, small or large, can just take this lightly. This is about bringing enterprise class components to your organization. Healthcare is critical. It's a regulated industry, but more importantly, you're talking about providing care for patients. So you have to think enterprise grade. And when I think enterprise, I mean security, AI, responsible AI, data handling standards, privacy. These are core fundamental principles that we think about. Just to give you an example, like we have a team of people triaging the security threats across the globe and giving us, like every month, Brian, we get a list of security landscape shifts that are happening and how we need to continue to elevate the bar to keep up with that. That's a team of people. Another team of people working on data privacy, understanding the changing landscape and how we handle data, how we de-identify it, anonymize it, what was the source of it, how long you retain it. These are global standards that we have to maintain. When we talk about responsible AI, there's a whole different thing, right? Microsoft was front and center from a responsible AI principles. Where was the data collected? How is it being used? What are the biases? Is it going to provide the right inferences? How do we make sure it doesn't deviate? There are separate dedicated teams doing a full-time job. I'm not talking a few handful of individuals, separate teams guiding our product teams to make these enterprise class decisions. And that's where you get a true enterprise grade product.
Okay. What can we expect to see, Vikram, from Microsoft in radiology up through RSNA?
The most thing I'm excited about is connecting with our customers. We launched our Dragon Copilot preview at RSNA. We'll continue to push the ball forward on it. We're taking a very open ecosystem approach towards it. It's about creating a platform where we bring the right experience integrated into the platform, but also open up for third-party vendors as well as organizations who want to build their own AI to be able to embed into the workflow. But most importantly, it's about the conversations, understanding where each organization is in their AI journey, bring them on, understand where they are, how they're trying to evolve their AI journey, evolve their clinical workflows, and start those conversations now. Like I said, we have over 250 organizations using the latest platform. We understand these environments deeply well and have the playbooks. It's time to now engage and bring the rest of the PowerScribe 360 community over to our latest platform.
All right, very good. Vikram Chhabra of Microsoft, thanks so much for being with us.
Happy to be here.
All right.
See you.
Signing off for the Imaging Wire, my name is Brian Casey.